showing sun, oh, showing sun. Wind in my feathers, light on my wings, feel of the rhythm, the air just sings. We soar above the skyline.
Yeah, look up, see the feathers flash. Paldean breeze, I'm built to dash. West side skies, no strings, no leash. Born to fly, born to preach. Wings beat hard like bass in a rave. Skyline dreams for the bold and brave.
It's good to be a bird. Feathers in the glow, feel the world go blur. Higher than a jet, yeah, the view's so pure. When the stars ignite, that's the life we prefer.
Kale on the mic, fire in my breath. Speed so hot, I'm burning the crest. Flying over force, no time for stress. Red streak flash, I pass the test. Wings of flame, nothing but grace. I own this sky, my victory space.
It's good to be a bird. Skies open wide when our hearts conquer. Drop that beat, let the talent stir. We fly, we burn, we own this
Tripping in rhythm, my melody wild. I echo through clouds like nature's child. Beat to the mic, I sing my lore. Notes so sharp, they split the roar. Harmony flow, beat hits the curve. This is our anthem, feel that swerve.
It's good to be a bird. Feeling that lift, got the wings that purr. Spin that track, let the world infer. Ain't no life that could be true.
Cloudline rush till feathers out. Speed so fierce I make him shout. From force to flame, from dusk till dawn. It flags a beat we ride upon. Heart in sync with the rhythm divine. When I dive, the bass aligns.
It's good to be a bird. Wings cut the storm like a meteor blur. Every gust, every spark, every swirl. We own the night, yeah, the world's our Fire streaks, my flight ignites. Steel feathers gleam in violet lights. EDM pulse, hearts in the zone. Over